leg.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, just the bottom one.
Oh, sorry.
And then keep that
That's
on.
good to get on.
Okay. So again, you might hear a little pop
Okay.
or crack. Just, let me just take that away.
Yeah.
Just hold on to your wrist. Perfect.
Oh, yeah. I
Wow.
really did need that. That's what I'm saying, I do get so much pain there.
Definitely worth
Yeah.
it. Okay, we're just going to do a little manipulation here, okay? Perfect. And have a lay onto your back for me.